The AI Creative Camera can create atmospheric scene effects around themes. Here is how. Open the camera app on your phone. Swipe to More. Choose Creative. Tap Use Now. Then tap Agree. The camera will scan the content within the viewfinder and Smart recommends relevant styles. Choose a recommendation style. And tap Shutter button. You can tap star icon to choose the AI effects. Tap the face icon to choose AI Portrait. Tap the magic wand icon to use other styles. Swipe left or right to select the desired style. And tap Shutter button. Tap the number to view the processing. Tap View to see the effects.